Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is smaller than Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean. It is the third largest ocean in the world. The Indian Ocean is named after a country called India. It is bounded by Asia in the north, Africa in the west, and Australia in the east. The average depth of the Indian Ocean is about 4,000 meters. It facilitates trade and travel between the eastern and the western countries. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep smiling.